Hey guys, how we doing? Alright, today what I'm going to do is, on the F3, these mirrors are notorious for being loose and they vibrate like crazy when you're going down the highway. So there is a kit, you can see there's a lot of play in there, there is a kit they sell with new mounting bolts, and this is actually the kit number here if anybody's interested. So what we need to do is take these back covers off, take the mirror off, we'll put these bolts in, and the bolts basically mount it nice and secure instead of just a snap-on. So let me get these covers off and we'll see what we get under there. Alright, so there was a black cap right here. You just pop that cap in, there was a Phillips head screw. You take that screw out and then this cover will come right off. Alright, now you can see these are the mounts. And there's just a lot of play in there. So we're going to get rid of those and bolt this thing solid. Okay, so once you get the cover off, there's a couple of 8mm bolts here, or nuts rather. We're going to take those off. There's one there, there's one here. Oh, these are actually spinning, so I got to get a wrench on the back side of that. Alright, so we're going to put a 10mm wrench here. We get the 8mm socket here. Alright, so there's 3 Torx screws, T20s. You take those out, and then this plate will come right out. And now we can mount the other bolts in there. Alright, then you take the screws that they gave you, these here, and you drop them in the holes so they come out where the studs were. Alright, so once you get those studs, you put the mirror back on. If you take off this front faceplate, it's going to give you access to this nut so you can tighten that one. And then you'll have that one and that one. And then once they're tight, this thing should be solid and we can put it back together. Alright, so I got the bolts all tightened up. Now it's solid. I guess there was an issue before where these could actually fall off because they just snap in there and they were prone to falling off. These caps were also prone to falling off. I don't know if the previous owner did this or not, but somebody put a screw in the top here. I guess just to make sure it doesn't fall off. And then he also added these wind vents on here, which is nice. They are adjustable, so you can direct which way you want the air to go. So I guess on a cold day you can kind of deflect the air, on a warm day you can kind of scoop it in, whatever you want to do. Alright, so this is just going to pop back on here. Like that. I'll put that screw in and then it should be good.